Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I made a mistake on yesterday's build design of this stove. Let me explain. The whole purpose of an elevated floor is for air to get up underneath the coal bed if it should need to draw air that way. So if you'll notice here, my elevated floor is right up here and these ventilation holes are down below the floor. Not so on this stove. I made these triangular holes, bent them down to use the tabs. There's 4 tabs, and that elevated floor is sitting on top of those tabs. Yes, I like that there's ventilation on top of the elevated floor, but there needs to be ventilation down below it. So I'll just pop 4 more holes in there and we'll go ahead and try it out. I thought that it burned extremely well. It should burn better with these holes down at the bottom. Let's go ahead and make a fire roll with those ashes. Half of a cotton ball. This is a jumbo cotton ball. Roll it up good and tight. We don't need that charcoal in there, just the ashes. Tighten it up with your hand, and we'll just set it aside for right now. Now this stove should burn much better. Let's just see. Wow, those are some damp leaves. Good. The wind's gonna blow that way. Let me set you up over here. Can't imagine why the tip would be so dull, can you? Let's try that again. That's better. I ended up with 15 pieces this time. Usually I go for about 10 pieces. That's some oak right there. Let's see if the little stove can handle such a big char tin. When the smoke stops coming out of that can, you could take it out. Let it completely cool off before you open it up, or else that oxygen's going to get in there and burn up your char. So when you're using a stove this small, try to get a smaller char tin. But looks like it did all right. I do not see or feel any uncharred pieces. The hardest piece in here with the most smoke residue on it is this one that was on top. So let's go ahead and get rid of it. Tear it in half to expose a bunch of threads. And this time I'll tear it in half again to expose even more threads. Put it up on top of that sharp edge, about 1/16 of an inch behind it. And then one strike, ignite it. And then two strike, ignite it. And then several strike, ignite it. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.